Hi, my name's Simon Doe and I'm the Senior Partnership and Business Development Manager here at eBay. Today, I'd like to talk about why eBay and our relevance in an ever-changing e-commerce world. I'll be sharing some stats and facts both locally and globally, and we'll be touching on what's happened in e-commerce over the last couple of years and the changing consumer behaviour. So, let's start there. The last 12 months have affected us all, both in business and personally. We've all felt the effects of a global pandemic and will continue to do so. Throughout this time, though, we all needed to buy groceries, set up a home office, crack on with that DIY job we've been putting off, or simply treat ourselves. However, choices of where to shop and how to shop probably presented the biggest challenges and biggest opportunity. As we move to a new normal, consumers continue to shop, but their shopping behaviours have changed. A recent report by A&M Global estimates that 17.2 million UK consumers plan to make permanent changes to the way they shop, as the perceived risks that physical stores redirect spending online. In March 2020, about 40% of UK shoppers said they'd been shopping more online compared to before COVID. By Feb this year, this percentage has grown to 75%. This increase in demand was largely felt in gaming and DIY, as consumers spent time at home with no reason or opportunity to get dressed up or to enjoy hospitality venues or book a holiday. And while some sectors such as clothing did see a downturn, overall online sales rose to a record 34% as a share of retail spending. Amidst an unprecedented acceleration of digital transformation, marketplace growth far outpaced even the outside growth rates of e-commerce. The 81% growth in marketplace GMV was carried by a spike in marketplace purchases of 106%. This order surge is a strong indication that these retailers are cementing their reputation as true shopping destinations. In fact, in the US, at the height of the pandemic, 10 years of e-commerce growth happened in just 90 days. Today, a huge 53% of total global B2C sales come from marketplaces, and the growth of online marketplaces has already reached $2.68 trillion and is expected to reach $3.5 trillion over the next 4 years. eBay's journey started some 26 years ago, and eBay remains one of the largest marketplaces on the planet. So let's take a deeper look at eBay today. eBay is part of the marketplace's landscape. For 26 years, we've worked to create a marketplace that is inclusive, fair, fosters global trade, and empowers entrepreneurship. Today, eBay has 159 million global active buyers, of which 29 million are here in the UK. That's a whopping 48% of UK internet users visiting the site each month. And in the last 6 months, those buyers contributed to the 306 million visits we had. As I mentioned, a lot's changed over the last 26 years. One of the biggest changes is the shift to fixed price and new items, with 88% of items sold being fixed price and 76% of items sold being new. And with 1.5 billion listings globally, it's no surprise to hear that 55% of global GMV is from international sales. eBay enables its partners to succeed in today's commerce environment with unrivaled traffic and global reach through a secure platform. Brands and retailers retain complete control over their eBay stores, including pricing and customer contact. We support your growth with expert guidance and can provide a wide range of tools to maximize sales. My key call out is we partner with you and we don't compete. We only win when you, our sellers, succeed. That's why we're committed to investing in what you need to grow and thrive. We want to offer great selection to our buyers and make it easy for sellers to scale on the platform. We've already partnered with hundreds of brands and retailers, bringing them onto our platform with broad inventories of full price, refurbished and clearance stock. We're here to work with you whatever your strategy and have the tools to support you to maximize your growth, including promoted listings, advertising opportunities, and most recently, fulfillment services. So let's take a look at some fast facts. With all those visitors here to the UK site, it's no surprise to hear that we sell millions of items every day. But it's not just about the amount of items being sold, it's how fast they sell. And here in the UK, a dress is being purchased every 5 seconds, a mobile phone is purchased every 18 seconds, a DIY tool is purchased every 12 seconds, and amazingly, a car part is purchased every 1 second. While this only offers a snapshot of eBay's velocity here in the UK, categories such as home and garden and electronics continue to see tremendous growth, with consumers still looking to smarten up their homes, grab the latest tech, or purchase an item from our certified refurbish program. So, that's a little about the UK. Let's take a look at what's happening in other markets around the world. eBay Germany serves 20 million buyers, and although not unique, 10 German cities run a local eBay marketplace with over 2.5 million items available locally. eBay Germany has grown from strength to strength. In fact, more than 1,000 sellers have reached an annual turnover of over €1 million. Let's look at what's happening a little further afield. On the other side of the world, eBay is a #1 shopping site in Australia. With 12 million visits every month, 40,000 Aussie retailers are selling on the platform, of which 90% of what is being sold is brand new. And to drive further growth, Australia was the first market to integrate Afterpay, which benefits both buyers and sellers. Lastly, let's take a look where the journey started. You can see by the slide that the story is similar in the US, with a watch being purchased every 7 seconds, a sneaker every 4 seconds, a sports trading card every 1 second, and a smartphone being purchased every 6 seconds. And if you didn't know, it all started with a broken laser pointer. Yep, that was the first thing that was ever sold. Fast forward 26 years, and as I say, eBay has over 1 billion listings. And a quick check this morning, you can still buy a broken laser, you can still buy a laser pointer, just not a broken one. As a business seller, there's a lot to think about when you're considering an omnichannel approach, particularly when it comes to selling on marketplace. But we've been here for a long time, and over the years, we've developed tools, products, and partnerships to make your journey onto eBay as seamless as possible. I want to call out these 4 pillars. 1, you are in control of the look and feel of your brand. 2, you manage your price and your margins. 3, merchandising and promotions that you control. In fact, over 1 million sellers used promoted listings in Q1 this year. And lastly, the customer contact stays with you. So, let me summarize 3 core takeaways. eBay is a commerce partner that will work with you to deliver your expansion plans. Remember, we only win when you, the seller, succeed. And with the continued growth of the platform and the 159 million buyers globally, remember that 29 million here in the UK, we will and can deliver you incremental buyers and sales. And lastly, and something that's always been in our DNA, is we will partner with you, not compete. So I'd like to thank you all for your time. I've thoroughly enjoyed speaking with you today, and would like to wish you every success for the future. Please do feel free to post any questions that you may have about what we've covered today. Thank you.